To make this lip scrub, you would need fine grated sugar, you would need vitamin E, you would need a container to put your lip scrubs in. You will also need this pink food coloring and an oil of your choice. I use peppermint oil. You will also need a spoon and a squeeze tube. The squeeze tube is great for adding the oil of your choice, and the spoon, of course, is great for the stirring. And I'm going to use gloves because I'm making these for people, and of course a bowl. Let's get started. So I took my vitamin E and I kind of was just winging the amount. I really didn't measure it. I'm sorry for that. So I kind of just applied the vitamin E and the sugar, and I'm kind of doing like a mush stir so that I can make sure that every gram of sugar is covered. And if it's still too dry, apply oil as needed until it gets to the desired moisture that you're looking for to create your lip scrub. I'm just stirring it around. Of course, it's too dry, so I'm going to add some more vitamin E oil. And after I add it, each time I add it, I'm just going to keep doing the mush and stir method is what I call it. And I'm going to keep doing that until I get the desired moisture that I want. Once I get the desired moisture that I want, as you can see, I then am going to go ahead and apply my peppermint oil. You can apply as much oil as you want. I would apply at least 2 tubes full if you're doing like a strong oil such as peppermint oil, because you don't want it to be too strong. So I'm applying peppermint oil. It is very good for hydration of the lips. It's very good for elasticity, and it helps with the exfoliation of the lips with the sugar scrub. After I apply that, I am then going to add 3 drops of my pink food coloring. You can use any color you want. I am just going for a pink color because I'm actually making these lip scrubs for party favors for my 35th birthday. So again, I am doing what I call the mush stir method, and with the food coloring, you want to make sure that you are taking your time and making sure that every grain of sugar is covered. And if it's not the desired color that you want, apply at least 1 or 2 drops until you get the desired color you're looking for. I am going for this pink color, and off camera I added 3 more drops, so altogether I added 6 drops to get this pink color. And I just did the mush and stir method until it was all covered and I see no white color of sugar. Now you just want to get whatever container you're going to use, and you just want to start filling up your containers. When you put your first spoonful in the container, make sure you're pressing down to make sure that all corners are covered. If you're doing this as a business, you want to make sure that you get your containers as filled as possible so that your customers are satisfied with the amount of sugar scrub that you are giving them. And this lip sugar scrub goes a long way because you only need a little dab to cover your lips. So you want to keep doing this method to every bottle or every container that you're filling. You want to push down, making sure that all the corners are covered, and you want to go to the top as much as possible without overflowing it, because if you overflow it, then it would be hard for your top to stay closed, and that would suck in transportation. If you're trying to ship it or something and the top opens, it can get very messy. You want to make sure that you're wiping off all the excess sugar off the side, and you just keep doing this to each container. So off camera, what I didn't show is me cleaning the sides of the containers with a damp cloth, or you can use some kind of wipe or whatever you want to use, and this is how they look when they are finished. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more posts.